Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to create Wi-Fi hotspot in Windows 11. So it's a very easy process. What you have to do is just simply open your start menu and just search for settings. After that, just simply go to the network and internet option right over here. Hotspot, as you can see right over here. In order to actually get this option, you should have a Wi-Fi adapter installed, because only then you will be able to connect your Wi-Fi. As you can see, this is how the Wi-Fi adapter will look. Make sure that your Wi-Fi adapter is connected and activated. Now, once your adapter is connected, you should be able to see this option if you're not seeing it. Now, what you will do is go into this option. Firstly, before enabling this option, there are a few changes that you should make. For example, firstly, click on Edit and enter your name and a password for your Wi-Fi. So let's go with a number right over here. And now when anyone will open and search for a Wi-Fi network, they will be able to see your name. And if they have the password, they will be able to connect with your Wi-Fi. Now, all you have to do is just simply click on the hotspot over here and enable it. And that way you should be able to enable your mobile hotspot from your computer. Now, there is another option that you should keep in mind. If you're running this on a laptop, make sure to enable the power saving mode over here. But if you're running this on a computer, you can turn it off. It's not a very important detail, but in terms of laptop, it will save a lot of power. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.